In this video, we'll be reviewing how to submit a shipment report or a wholesaler excise tax report on bells. From the licensing dashboard, click Reports, then select your monthly report. If you have no activity to report the prior month, select No, and you'll be taken to the final page to submit. Let's go back and select Yes, and enter report information. You can manually enter this information. We're going to review how to upload the report using a spreadsheet. On a monthly report, you'll be able to download the template on this page. The reference license column will be the supplier or the wholesaler on the other side of the transaction. The reference number column is the Maine PO number. The details column is the invoice number. The date column is the invoice date. Product type determines the tax class, and quantity is the amount of gallons on the invoice. The second tab on the spreadsheet goes into more details for each license type. Let's go back and upload the sample file. It populates each line in the system. This page displays the quantities you'll be charged for. If you're a COA holder, you'll see zeros in most of these sections because you're reporting information only. Upload any required documents. Click the declaration and pay and submit to proceed to payment and complete your filing.